Welcome back here with us on Times Now, and we have some breaking updates now, viewers, coming in from West Bengal. And this is about a statement that has been made by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. She was speaking in the West Bengal Assembly. In fact, she's still speaking, I'm being told. And just a short while ago, she slammed the central government as well as BJP-led Uttar Pradesh government over alleged mismanagement at Mahakumbh Mela that's currently underway in Prayagraj. And in fact, she said that Mahakumbh has turned into Mrityu Kumbh. This is what TMC chief and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had to say inside the Bengal Assembly. And this is the big story that we have for you right now. She says, and I quote, "A stampede may have happened in such a big mela, but preparedness is needed for that." According to Mamata Banerjee, there was no preparation that was done properly. And she also said that Mahakumbh has turned into Mrityu Kumbh. That's the big statement that has been made by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over, the condition that we are seeing in Prayagraj, where Mahakumbh is currently underway. And she has said that Mahakumbh has turned into Mrityu Kumbh. She has, in fact, targeted the UP government and the centre specifically on not being ready on, for preparing for this kind of a religious gathering. So that's the latest update coming in, the big attack of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And this is what she said a short while ago in the West Bengal Assembly. We'll be going across to my colleague Ritik as well for more on this. She, in fact, has questioned the preparation, and now she's gone a step further to call Mahakumbh Mrityu Kumbh, which is a very, very shocking statement, in fact, that has been made by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Now, remember, viewers, ever since Mahakumbh 2025 has started, we are seeing several leaders from the opposition specifically targeting Mahakumbh, targeting the UP government as well. First, it was Samajwadi Party, and then we have seen, various comments coming in from the Congress Party as well. Now, TMC also jumping in and trying to say that Mahakumbh has turned into Mrityu Kumbh, referring to the stampede-like situation that happened. In fact, Sukanta Majumdar, who is a union minister, is joining us on the phone line as well. Good afternoon, Mr. Sukanta Majumdar. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. How will you like to respond to what West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has said specifically about the Mahakumbh? She says Mahakumbh has turned into Mrityu Kumbh. How will you like to respond?
So this is the appeasement politics of Mamata Banerjee, and she has consciously used this term to humiliate the Hindus of this country and to appease the Muslim vote bank, which is the pivotal voting section of her party. And I would like to ask this question, that Mamata Banerjee could not save the life of a girl who was a doctor, and she was raped and murdered in the Arjikar, and she is talking about the Mahakumbh, where crores of people is accumulating every day. So I think she does not have the capacity or the moral ethics or ethical right to talk about this.
All right, Mr. Sukanta Majumdar, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We'll see, how other leaders are going to respond as well to this comment that has come from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. A rather shocking statement there coming in from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee while she was speaking in the West Bengal Assembly. She slammed the centre. She questioned the BJP-led UP government in, for over Mahakumbh, and she, in fact, targeted the UP government for alleged mismanagement at the Mahakumbh Mela 2025 that is currently underway in Prayagraj. And she, in fact, said Mahakumbh has turned into Mrityu Kumbh. Listen into what exactly Mamata Banerjee said.
আপনারা দূষিত করেছেন, বিষাক্ত করেছেন মহাকুম্ভের পবিত্র জায়গাটা। সব জায়গায় হাইপ তুলে দিয়েছে। সে একবার হয়েছিল না, গণেশ দুধ খাচ্ছে, সব ওখানে স্নান করো নালে পবিত্র হবে না। মৃতদেহের ওপর দিয়ে যারা এই হাইপ তুলছেন আর টাকা কামানোর জন্য ধর্মকে বিক্রি করছেন, তাদের আমি মন থেকে মেনে নিতে পারি না। একটা বড় অনুষ্ঠানে স্ট্যাম্পেড হতেই পারে, কিন্তু তার জন্য প্ল্যানিং করতে হবে। কি প্ল্যানিং করেছিলেন আপনারা? মহাকুম্ভ শুরু হওয়ার দিন পর্যন্ত কোনো প্ল্যানিং হয়নি।
And with this, we will slip into another very, very short break. But more news and updates coming your way on the other side as well. Don't go anywhere.